In today's video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can be your go-to tool for mastering seasonal grocery shopping, making the process both simple and cost-effective. Let's get started. When it comes to grocery shopping, focusing on seasonal produce is a game changer. Not only do you get the best flavors, but also support local farming and save money. But keeping track of what's in season can be challenging since it varies by time of year and region. That's where ChatGPT comes in handy. Let's ask it to help us identify what's in season right now, especially as we head into fall. So let's say, here it is, the prompt right here. Like, can you list the fruits and vegetables that are in season during the fall in the United States? So let's go ahead and send this prompt. I'm excited to see what ChatGPT suggests for us. All right, as it currently processes, here's what ChatGPT had generated for us. And then here we go. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a great list of seasonal fruits and vegetables. So here are apples, pears, cranberries, then so on and so forth for the vegetables like beets, cauliflower, kale. So yeah, these are the ingredients that will be at their peak in flavor and nutrition right now. So with this list in hand, you can be confident that you're choosing the best produce for your meals this fall. See? Now that we've identified what's in season, it's time to put that knowledge into action. One of the easiest ways to make sure you're eating fresh, seasonal produce is by creating a tailored grocery list. Whether you're planning meals for the week or just looking to stock up on the best ingredients, a seasonal shopping list can keep you on track. Let's ask ChatGPT once again to help us build a grocery list based on what's in season, let's say the summer. So here's my prompt. There we go. ChatGPT, can you help me create a grocery shopping list for a week during seasonal produce available, see, in the summer? See? Now, let's see how ChatGPT organizes our shopping list. I'm expecting some delicious and fresh options to pop up. Here we go. See? Here we go. Here are the fruits, vegetables, just as generated right here, herbs and different fruit groups. It might take a while, and yeah. So ChatGPT has given us a comprehensive list that includes summer staples like summer squash, let's see, cherries and watermelon, let's see, basil, mint, then quinoa, uh, pasta, almonds, and yeah. So, what's great is that you can customize this list based on your dietary needs or meal plans. This approach makes grocery shopping simpler, ensuring you always pick the freshest and most flavorful produce. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Now that we have our seasonal shopping list, the next step is figuring out how to turn those fresh ingredients into delicious meals. Now, cooking with seasonal produce not only enhances flavor, but also adds a nutritional punch to your dishes. If you're ever stumped on what to make, ChatGPT is a fantastic source for finding recipe ideas that make the most of what's in season. So let's ask it for some inspiration, especially focusing on those, let's say, hardy winter vegetables like butternut squash and kale. So here's the prompt that I put together with what I just stated earlier, right here. And all right, let's send this request over like so and see what kind of tasty recipes ChatGPT can come up with. So here's an example. So one of them, as it currently processed, like roasted butternut squash and kale salad. There are the ingredients, and then the instructions. And there's one again, butternut squash and kale, stuffed shells. And then more instructions. And yeah, so on and so forth. See? Now, yeah, ChatGPT really knows how to showcase the best of winter's bounty. With these ideas, meal planning becomes not just simpler, but also a lot more enjoyable. You'll be making the most out of your seasonal produce in no time. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT to streamline your seasonal grocery shopping is both simple and effective. Leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Also, check the pinned comments below to download a quick guide for this video.